The tree. You helping Daddy decorate the tree? Get some more. Get another one. You gotta put them in the tree. Oh, that's nice. Tight. Hey. Get another one. Get another one. Put another one on. Put one right here. Put one right here. Put one right here. Oh, yay. Hey, get another one. Get another one. Go get another one, big boy. No, not these. Get a bulb over there. Go get the bulbs. Mm-hmm. All right, put one right here. Put one over there on this side. Over more. Yeah, over more. Over more. Oh, it's right there. Oh, you tight, big boy. Leave it right there. Leave it right there. Leave it. Oh, go get it. Go get it. And put it back up there. And put it back on there. Yeah, put it up there. Put it over there. Oh, here. Yeah, put it over there. Ah, that's so tight. You tight. Give me 5. Give me 5. Yeah, good job. Good job.